Are you looking for unique AI history videos for your social media? If yes, then you are in the right place. Every video I create is copyright-free, monetizable, and fully rights for you. Each and every video is unique and exclusive.
She ruled Egypt. She was a legend. She was Cleopatra. Born in the heart of ancient Egypt, Cleopatra was more than just a queen. She was a symbol of power and elegance. Cleopatra VII was the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic kingdom of Egypt. But how did a woman in a male-dominated world rise to such power and maintain it? That's a story worth telling. Cleopatra was a master diplomat, forming alliances with powerful Roman leaders like Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. She was also a military tactician, leading naval fleets in battles that would shape the future of Egypt. And yet, she was a scholar, a linguist, and a loving mother. Cleopatra was a woman of many facets.
So what are you waiting for? Order now and get ready to experience the magic of history videos using AI.